Hello guys, and welcome to my messy kitchen. Let me show you what I ran into today when I got home from work. Hang on. So we start here with this towel, which I absolutely hate, and all of the clean dishes on the towel and also in the drying side of the sink, which gives me very much anxiety. Then over here, we continue with this disaster. Oh dear gosh. Yeah, so before I start dinner tonight, I will pick all of this. Actually, no, I am not going to pick up any of this tonight. I am going to start my dinner. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in some olive oil into the pan so that we can start browning the turkey. In goes the ground turkey. And this is just 1 pound of turkey, and the recipe makes for 4 people. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Next I am adding 2 tablespoons of paprika. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, or you can also do 1 teaspoon of stevia. Stevia, I have no idea how to pronounce that. This is 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and then 2.5 cups of milk. Now we give everything a stir. Next we pour in 2 cups of pasta. Stir once again. Now we add salt to match your taste buds. Pepper to match your taste buds. Stir once again. Okay, so now that I have thrown in the pasta in there, we are going to let it lower the heat, which I already did, and let it cook and simmer for 5 minutes until the pasta turns tender or gets tender. And then our last step is to put in the mild cheddar cheese. Echo, 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
Echo, stop. And we need 2 cups of the mild cheddar cheese. Are you guys watching all this cheese? How delicious. Look at that. All right, so now I'm gonna turn the camera around and I am going to taste it. Okay, I'm going to taste. It's good. It needs a little bit more salt though, but I really like it. No nails. I took them off. I think the next time that I make this, I think I'm going to boil the pasta first before adding it into the ground beef, because it's soft, but it's a weird kind of soft, like not a complete soft. So yeah, just a little tidbit. If you guys make this recipe, yeah, boil the pasta before putting it into the ground beef. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.